So it's, you know, when you get really excited and you're like, I'm going to get all hot stuffed up, put some lippy on, go out, I'm going to search for the right property. And then when you find it, you court it and you make offers and you skirt around it. And then you nab it and you get a snog in the bar and they're interested. And so you're like, I'm on a winner. And then you're in that first honeymoon period, which is during the renovation. And like all these good juju feelings that we're all feeling, remembering when we were young or when we first met our partners. Like they have all those emotive feelings, which when the adrenaline and the emotion goes up, generally our intelligence goes down, you know, and our intention, well, exactly. So you all laughed because you know in the dating world, your intelligence went down. And
it hasn't recovered since.
And so it's really important, like often people can get carried away. And like that lady that you talked about before, she was a student of mine when I made her do her figures on her previous renos and she was like, I actually lost money. I'm like, how did that happen? And